Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So in this video we will discuss how many rounds are there in any company. So first of all I want to tell you this video for fresher and experience both. So many company we having the 3 rounds. One round is your technical round, one round is your managerial round and HR round. Okay, and some of the company having the more than 3 rounds are there. So might be having the more 2 and 3 more rounds for the technical round. So we should not worry about of your rounds, we should worry about of your preparation. So in this video we will highlight how to do preparation for your technical round, right? So this is very important, how to do the preparation for your technical round. If you are good in the technical, no, you having the more possibility to select in any interview. This is my experience. So first of all I want to give you some tips how to do the preparation for your technical round. Okay, so like I am learning core Java, so what I can observe, many people are going for the interview, just they are reading the interview questions and answers and they are going for the interview. Might be you are able to crack the interview, but in the real time you are not able to work if you don't have a proper knowledge on your subject. Then you will stuck in real time to work. So first of all, first suggestion is, like if you are learning anything like core Java or Python, anything, you having the proper knowledge for you cover all the syllabus and concept, and you have one proper notes. If you don't have a notes, then what will happen? If you will get the call, then how to do revision, right? So 2 things is very important: cover all the syllabus, don't depend upon the interview question. I will tell you interview question, where you can use the interview question. So first of all, block your time. 1 hour I have to spend on the core Java or any skill if you are learning. So if you are learning any skill, so be having a a conceptual part and be having the practical part. So if you are reading anything, first you having the good knowledge, your concept must be clear, otherwise you will stuck again in the interview. So first of all you can find the resources, where are you learning and all the things. You having the proper concept, then only you are able to crack the interview. Got it, right? So this is the first thing you have to take care. Another thing what you have to take care, how to do the preparation, how to do the daily practice. So if you are learning anything, so parallelly you have to do coding also, then you will get more confidence. After getting the confidence, how to present your skill set in front of the interviewer, this is the another questions. So today I learn core Java. Got it, right? Today we have learned UP concept. Then how to do preparation for your presentation skill set. So what you can do, open your webcam or open your mobile camera and take the interview yourself. Like today I have learned UP concept, I will speak myself what is the UP concept, right? Are you able to present yourself correct way, or whatever you are speaking your answer is correct or not? If you will do this preparation, no, and if you will do this practice, no, before going for the interview, you will correct all the mistakes and you will not lose any opportunity in the future. If you are learning any subject, any profile, you can apply for the same. Even I was applying for the same, and definitely I got more confidence myself and presenting myself very good in front of the interviewer. So definitely this will help to you. Programming a skill set also very important. So you can do number of the practice for one code, whatever the code you are doing, unless you are not confident to write the code. If you are only writing the code is not a big deal. You have to debug that code and understand the flow of the code, right? So same thing you have to do in the interview room. Interviewer will ask to you, can you tell me how this code is working? If you don't know the concept, if you only wrote the code, then what will happen? Again you will stuck over there. So if you are doing practice for the any coding, you having the proper flow how this code is working, debug the code, understand the flow how this code is working. apply the same concept for your technical presentation skill, your normal presentation skill, and your programming skill set. If you will do the practice for the same day by day, definitely you will improve yourself. If you are rejecting in the interview, no problem at all, follow my tips. One day you having the more confidence. If you having the confidence, you will crack any interview, you having the n number of offer letter. So this is the practical we already applied and we got the result. Got it? My many student is doing the same and getting the job. Okay, so same thing I'm guiding to them. Even I'm going to take the live interview session. Okay, so if you are interested to join live interview session also, you can comment below and you can reach out to me. In the weekend we having the live interview session, how to do the practice, how to do the preparation for your interview if you are in the any profile. So thank you so much watching this video. Please share, subscribe and press bell icon. I will make you the another video. Tell me about yourself. How, first question, if you will go in the any interview, the first question is your tell me about yourself. So coming video I will make on that, how, what you have to tell, how to present your working experience, how to present your technical experience, right? How you can impress to the interviewer. So please subscribe, share with your friend and press bell icon for your new video notification. Thank you.